In today's video, I'll be going over the process of how I repaired this broken drawer front. It's actually the front of the drawer that's broke. The drawer front attaches to the front of the drawer, typically with some screws or some tacks, so I had to just take that off first in order to prep the drawer to get it ready for repair. I'm using a Dremel tool here to remove the staples, but you can use side cutters, pliers, a multi-tool, whatever it is that you have in your arsenal to get these staples out. Believe it or not, that was the hardest part. The rest of the repair would consist of some wood glue and some clamps. I'm not sure who invented this stuff, but wood glue is super strong. It's stronger than staples, it's stronger than screws, and a lot of times it's actually stronger than the wood you're gluing to. So this is all you really need, just to make sure that you clamp everything up. The glue will spooge out. You want to wipe that up, give it time to cure, and that's pretty much well it. Here a good chunk of wood came off the front of the drawer, and so I'm just using again wood glue to spooge it back in, get it tight, tape it up, and that should be good enough. No, it is not the prettiest repair, but believe me, it is strong and your problem is solved. And finally, before you tighten everything back up, just make sure everything lines up. As always, I appreciate you all sticking around for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. Until the next time, hey.